Hey everyone, so today I wanted to quickly share a new feature that Articulate came out with for Storyline 360, and that is the Conditional Seekbar. So here we have a video that I've popped into the slide, and to access the Conditional Seekbar, so if you go into your slide properties and you look at player features, custom, you can turn on the Seekbar. So what the Seekbar is this function here that kind of shows the user how much time is left in the audio or video, and you can use it to kind of scrub through, but you can also make some restrictions for the Conditional Seekbar. So what I wanted to do was show you those conditions. So we're going to close the preview. Now to access the Conditional Seekbar, you're going to go into Player. And right now it is only available for the modern player. So if you have the classic player, you will not see these functions, but you just check modern, and then we're going to go down here to the Seekbar. Now you can allow the users to drag the Seekbar, which will let them scrub through the video or audio. You can have the Seekbar as read only, which means that they can see the progress, but they can't scrub. And then you can allow dragging after completion. So once they've watched the video or listened to the audio or visited that screen and gone on to the next one, when they return, they can scrub. So we're gonna show you that one. So allow drag after completion, okay. And then we're gonna go preview. So now we have a Conditional Seekbar that is dependent on whether we have completed the slide. So if we go through and you'll see that we can't scrub, I'm clicking and it's doing nothing, and then we go to the next slide at the end here. All right, so now we've completed it. So when we visit this slide at the beginning now, you'll notice that we can scrub through the video. So it kind of forces the learners to watch the video the first time or listen to the audio the first time, and then they can scrub through the next visit. So that's the Conditional Seekbar, and it's just that easy.